the game we will be making is a tic-tac-toe game. I choose this because it is easy and self-contained, and also has a complete game loop. As you can see here, and for this game we will be only focusing on codings. About the scene and node in Godot, I will explain it in a separate video, and I also provided a project template so that we can going at a much faster pace. This is the empty template, so there's no script, just the scene already set up, and we will work from this. So go to the project in the links below and download the zip file. So go to your projects and then extract the file, and then open up that extracted file and move the tic-tac-toe game in to a place where you easy to find, and then open up Godot and click the import and search the file and open up the folder and click the import file and click and import and open the project. So this is the imported project. I changed the scene layout, and now we are ready to start coding.